What is up, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can open a second Etsy shop. Now if you are wondering if Etsy allows you guys to create multiple accounts or multiple shops, yes, they allow you guys to open multiple accounts, but each one you just need to different emails. Okay, you need to create to create another Gmail account, like different. You don't have to use different information, by the way. You can use the same name, you can use the same bank account, you can use like all the information that you have on your first store. You can use the same information or on your other stores. Okay, the only thing you need to change is the email address. That's it, guys. So to open a second store, guys, you just need to click on your account in the top. As you can see, if you see this shop manager here, that means you have a store. Now to open a second one, you need to click on your account and you need to click on sign out. Now after, guys, you click on sign out, you want to click again on sign in. Okay, and here you want to click on register. Okay, after, guys, you click on register. Like I said, you need to type here a different email address, because if you type here your own email address, they are going to say this email address is in use. You cannot use this email address. So you need to type here different one. You can create it, guys, enter the same phone number. Okay, you just need to create a different email and enter here the email and your first name. Again, you just need to add the same information on your first store. And here password, you need to type here your own password, and after that you want to click on register. Okay, now after, guys, you click on register, or you can just register using your Google. If you registered on your first store using Google, you can register using Facebook or continue with Apple, whatever of your choice. Okay, now after, guys, you create an account, a second Etsy shop, then you can that means you just created an Etsy account. You can then create a shop. You can click on in the top, you can click here the account, and then you can click sell, and then you can start entering the information like your credit card and what you are selling, category that you are selling in, stuff like that. That's exactly what you did when you first created your first store. That's what you need, guys, for your second store. Okay, so after you create a second store, if you want, for example, to switch between them, you just need to click on sign out and enter your information for the second one. Okay, that's exactly how you can like create a second store. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, but before you go, please drop a like and make sure you don't get your account banned. If your first account got banned, your second one will get banned too, because the robo is going to recognize the credit cards are the same. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, drop a like, guys, and see you guys in the next video.